Glowing skin is something many people strive to have. There are many ways to improve the skin's radiance. In Ayurveda, there are so many secret Ayurvedic recipes that you can give you a long-lasting glowing skin. In this video, today we are going to make a beauty serum with using natural ingredients. It's very easy to make and I know you will love it. So let's start. Our beauty serum will help you for a glowing skin in several ways. The ingredients are truly wonderful. They can deeply penetrate into your skin and will cure the sun damages, hyperpigmentations and dark spots, and also will improve the collagen production and will enhance your complexion as well. We use only 3 ingredients: castor oil, saffron and hibiscus flowers. I use 100% pure castor oil. Take a small pan and put 250 ml of pure castor oil. Do you know castor oil is the natural Botox? It is the best remedy for wrinkles and dry skin. Castor oil contains ricinoic acid, a deep penetrating moisturizer for your skin. Then I put 2 teaspoons full of dry hibiscus flower powder. Mix them very well. Hibiscus flowers are rich in vitamin A, will improve the collagen production. Then I heat up the oil for about 5 minutes. Don't boil the oil, just need a mild warm to heat up the oil. Then I put 10 to 15 saffron threads. Saffron will give you a serum a natural color and will nourish your skin. Our serum is fully made with natural ingredients. The best time to apply this serum is night time. You can directly apply to the skin or you can mix with your any night serum or night cream. I know you will definitely try this serum. After using for several weeks, please put a comment to my comment section. Along with applying safety skincare routines just like our beauty serum, there are some diet lifestyle changes and some yogic practices that you can practice daily to improve your skin's texture. In my next video, I hope to discuss more on this topic. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.